Hey there, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mark, and today we'll be drawing another Simpsons character, Nelson. So if you like Nelson and you want to learn how to draw, it's easy. Just grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pen, and let's begin. Okay, we're going to start with the nose. So I'm going to create this shape that is a sideways elliptical shape, and we're not going to complete it. We're just going to leave it open down there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one of the eyes on the right. So we're going to go draw a C shape like this, and we're going to pretend that comes all the way through, and then we're going to do a line that comes up like this and it hooks back like that. Now he's kind of squinting his eyes like a frown, so we're going to flatten this right here. This is going to go flat, and then it's going to round up like this. And then we're going to put an eyeball pupil shape right here. And then the next thing we can do is we'll draw the other eye. So the other eye is going to be right about here, like that. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come from the frown, and we're going to come over like that. And then we're going to round this up just like we did over there. So we're going to have kind of the same thing, and then we're going to put another pupil right in there. Okay, then we can start with the hair. So I'm going to come right around here, and I'm going to come down like this and then come up, and I'm going to try not to hit this piece here. So we're going to come up like that. And then this piece of hair is going to come over, and it's going to come really close to the eye but not touch the eye. And then we're going to come down like that. Then we're going to come up a little bit, back down, and then over to the right like this. Because then from here, we're going to have his ear. So we're going to do a curved shape like this. We'll do another curve and then another shape. So it's kind of like a T inside the ear. Then from here, we can come down, we'll come up, and then we'll do another long shape here. Now, we're going to finish the head part over here, okay guys? And what we're going to do is we're going to come to right about like where this shape comes up, somewhere about here. So I'm just going to put a dot there so you can see. So you can start here and come this way or the opposite way. I'm just going to start from this hair piece here, and we're going to come inward and then up. So we're going to come in, I'm going to go up, and then as we get over here, we're going to start curving like that, and then we're going to come and meet up with our dot, just like this. Then on this side here, we're going to do another little hair piece that comes up like that, and this is going to come up and meet like that. All right, now we can continue with the lower part of the face. I'm going to do the mouth now. So this shape is going to come down from the nose. We're going to come down, and then it's going to come and meet right about here. So just where the ear is, you're going to come like this and like that. Then we'll do a little shape at the end of the mouth. Now before we do the chin, he has some teeth. So I'm going to start over here on the right side, and I'm going to do one curve like that, and I'm going to do another one, and we want to end right about here, so don't make these too big. But then we'll do another one, and then this one here will just go up into the mouth. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. So then from here, we can draw the chin. So from the center or the middle tooth, you'll come down and over like this, and this will come up just like that. Okay, now we're gonna do the jacket and his midsection. So from his hair, we're gonna come down like this. And then we're gonna pretend to go through the hair, and I'm gonna do the other shoulder like that. Okay, now we're gonna do his sleeve. So we're gonna start right around here, and we're gonna go inward like this. And this is gonna stop right about there. And then we're gonna create this like elliptical shape like that. And now his hand and his arm is gonna come out of this sleeve here. So we're gonna come out this way, and then we're gonna hook. And then we'll do the same over here. So this is gonna get actually a little bit wider where the elbow is. So it's gonna go and get wider like that. And then right about here, create the palm shape. And then up over here, we'll create his first knuckle shape. So it's bent like that. Then we'll do another one from here down. And then this last one is going to start here, and it's going to go down, and then it's going to quickly flatten out and then go into the palm over there. And then you can create a little crease just like that. And then what we can do is we can finish off his jacket. So that's going to come down like that, and that's going to keep going through like this. And then what we can do is extend this down, and just under the hand we'll create these triangular shapes like this, and those will go all the way and meet up to the end over there. Now we're going to do the other jacket side here. So we're going to start from the chin, we're going to curve out, and we're going to stop about the same length as this jacket length over here. And then we're going to create the inner body part. So this is going to start inward here, and we're going to bend, and then we're going to bend again for the belly, and we're going to stop just above that line there. And the reason we're doing that is because we're going to come in like this. I'm going to go through there. And then I'm going to draw the pant really quickly because we need to put this in first. So we're going to draw a little curve right here. And then we'll draw these triangles. We'll put a couple of triangle shapes like that. And that's why we put this in here, because we wanted to know where to stop. Now let's go and finish this arm on this side before we continue downward. Let's draw this curve coming out in this direction, and then it's going to come down into the jacket. And then over here we'll have a bend. So this will come like this and just bend right there. Okay, now we'll go down further. So we drew this part, the front part of his pants. Now we'll do the back side of his pants. So coming in right about here, we'll create this curve like that. And then this will come out. And then right where the jacket comes down, if you come just about there, you can curve this, and this will be his shorts on the one side. And then if you create almost like this line's going to kind of continue and kind of come into there, then the other short will start right about here and come across. And then now to know where this ends, we'll just hook this out a little bit like that. We'll bend it a bit, and this will connect. Okay, now we'll get the legs in place. So we'll draw this leg first. We'll draw two short lines like that, and then we'll connect these together. Then we'll create like a sock cuff like this, and this will come over, and then we'll do the shoe. So we're going to come down to the right a little bit, and on the left side we're going to bend a little bit like that. Then what we can do here is we're going to come up and down. And then we'll join from this point here. We're just going to have a soft curve like that. And we'll put a circle in there. And then we could kind of put like a opening or like a lace shape. We'll do 2 curves over to the right, and then we'll join those together. And we'll do the same for this leg. We'll draw 2 lines, and then we'll join these together with a soft curve. We'll round the ends, and then we'll join those together. We'll try to match the same thicknesses as we have over here. Then this one's going to come down like that. This is going to be the heel section on this side. It's going to come down. And over here, we're going to not hit this shoe, all right, guys? So we're going to come over like this, and we're going to go down. And then we'll come across and meet back up. And then over here, we'll do a circle that's a little bit taller. And then we'll draw the straps once more like this, and we'll connect those together. And that's it. We just drew Nelson from The Simpsons using an ink pen. If yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description below. I left a link with the coloring page that I have for this project. So you can download that, print it out, and then you can follow me as I color Nelson in. You're going to want to watch to the end because it turns out really cool. Go down in the comments below and submit your requests. I'll try to get to your drawings as quickly as I can. Well, there you go, guys. I just drew Nelson Muntz from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed following along and drawing Nelson with me. If you did, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And the notification bell will help keep you in the loop for whenever I do new videos, which is every weekday. So until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.